Hello again. Working on my wind turbine. This is a new motor. This came from a smaller treadmill. It produces more voltage per RPM, so I think it's going to be a better fit for what I'm trying to do. I might actually have to build two of these and get them in series to produce my 12 volts to charge my batteries, but we'll see. And what I've done today is built my platform, and mostly just scraps out of the garage. The fin is foam board, which I've just painted, shoddily painted at that. Just threw some paint on there. Same with this 2x4 that I had. I drilled a hole right here. That's where my wires are going to go down and connect to the extension cord. Underneath you can see this pipe fitting. This pipe will be nestled inside of a 10-foot galvanized steel pole. The big issue is how to connect the blades. Another thing that I've done is put this just little piece of scrap plastic down there to get it even, to get about the right height. I went to Lowe's and tried to find a match for this thread and was unsuccessful, even with the help of like 3 different Lowe's employees. This thread must be custom made. So getting a hub connected to that is my biggest issue. Now this came attached, that screws on there, and at this point I'm thinking that I need to use a drill press of some sort and just drill into this hub because it's made for it. From there I bought this PVC green drainage tube, this 6-inch, and this is what I'm going to be cutting down to use my blades. But the big issue is the hub. Is drilling into this. I do have a drill bit that I can try out, but this stuff is pretty thick, so I'm definitely reluctant to mess with it. Thanks for watching.